So right now we're at the booth of Lomiko Metals at PDAC, and the gentleman standing beside me is the CEO of the company, Paul Gill. Hi Paul, how are you doing today?
Great, Gilbert. Thanks very much.
Yes, so maybe you could just start off by giving us a quick introduction about what Lomiko does.
Yeah, Lomiko Metals is a company that looks for green materials for the green economy. And so what we're focused on right now is graphite. And we've been around looking at graphite for the last 5 years. So we've listed right now on the TSX Venture under the symbol LMR and on the OTCQB under the symbol LMRMF. So we're looking to develop this graphite property for electric vehicles.
So you talk about graphite. Maybe you can elaborate more about the current situation of graphite market and what you're looking for. You talk about flake graphite. Is there any other different types of graphite in the market right now?
Yeah, the main thing to consider when you look at graphite, people of course know pencil lead. That's a big use. It also is used in steel making as well. But the big new demand is coming from electric vehicle batteries. So most of the electric vehicle battery materials are mined in China right now. Graphite anodes are made in China. Yes. But what's happening is that because there's so many new factories being made, over 70 new factories for electric vehicle batteries, we're going to see a huge demand. So we need to see development in Canada as well as in North America and in America of this material so that we can see factories being built here being able to get supply of the material. So the demand right now from China was, they're actually exporting over 90% of the material. Now they're down to 50% export and most of it's being internally consumed. But yet the electric vehicle market is continuing to grow and grow as Tesla grows and everyone else comes out, like VW saying, Volvo saying that they're going to be in electric vehicles in the next little while. So you think about it yourself, as you, the viewer today, are looking for electric vehicle potentially in the next 5 years, probably, and most people are making those decisions. So that's going to have a huge impact on demand, and it's going to have a huge impact on graphite materials, which is the biggest part of a lithium-ion battery.
Okay, so maybe you can talk about a bit about your key project, Loutre. So what kind of work have you done on it, and what's the planning for what kind of work you're going to do on the project?
Yeah, we've been drilling at the Loutre project for over 4 years now. So we started in 2015. And we're just starting our next drilling program right now. In fact, we're actually close to finishing our drilling program, and results are coming out fairly soon. What we've been doing is 150 drill holes to prove the amount of graphite that's in the ground in order to have an economic deposit that's top shelf and world class in order to develop it and put it into production. Now, the reason why we're doing our drilling program now is to complete a resource, a second resource on the project, which will define over 25 million tons of material with 10% grade or better. The current mine has 25 million, that's north of us about, the mine is north of us about 25 or 30 kilometers. That mine has 25 million tons of material that grades at 7.5%. So if we can do better than they are in the results, we should be able to have a very economic deposit that we can develop and sell to one of the people who are making battery material such as lithium-ion batteries.
So in summary, would you like to tell the investors why they should consider today investing to Lomiko Metals, and what kind of milestone will they be looking for in the next 12 months?
Yeah. Right now, we've announced our drilling that doubled the stock. Secondly, we're going to have our results coming out, which we hope to double the stock again. And after the resource comes out, we hope to double again. So I think there's a really good opportunity for people right now. In the next 2 to 3 months, we should be getting to a point where we can fund a pre-economic assessment and then go to the next level, which is getting finance to build a mine. So it's very exciting times for the company. We've looked and looked and looked for a good deposit that we can develop, and it's happening right now at Loutre, and this is the time to get involved.
Looks like a pretty exciting time for Lomiko Metals for this year.
Absolutely.
Thank you for your time, Paul, today.
Thanks, Hugo.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please scan the QR code to log on NAI500 website and follow us on social media to get regular updates on the Chinese language North American market news, CEO interviews, trends, and investment opportunities. Click subscribe to our channel to watch more interviews and presentations.